Hey, what's going on everyone, this is Crochet Hayes back with another video on the channel, and today we're going to be learning how to create a disk partition on your laptop. If you have recently purchased a new laptop and would like to create a disk partition or multiple disk partitions on your laptop, then this video is really good for you. So before we get started, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So to create a disk partition, we need to go into this PC. And here you can see I only have a single volume, that is the operating system disk. Next, we need to right click on this PC and choose Manage. A new window will open called the Computer Management. And here we need to click on the Disk Management option. And this will open the Disk Management tab. Here it will list all the disk volumes present in your laptop, including a removable device if you have connected one. This is the only drive present in my laptop, so in order to create a new one, you need to right click on it and click on Shrink Volume, and wait for a couple of seconds. A new window will open, and here you need to enter the amount by which you want to shrink this drive, or in simple words, you need to write the size of the new disk that you are creating. For example, I will write 200 gigabytes, and below it will show you the remaining size of the disk. Please note that you have to enter the size in megabytes. That's why I have written 200,000 megabytes. If you want to calculate it, just simply multiply the number of gigabytes by 1000 and the answer will be in megabytes. But I know you are smart enough, right? So let's close this and click on Shrink. After a few seconds, a new unallocated disk will be formed. The size will be a little less than what we had previously entered, so you can adjust accordingly. Now right click on it and choose New Simple Volume. And here a new simple volume widget will open. Just simply click on Next. Confirm the size and click on Next. Here you can name your drive, but we can do it later as well. And finally click on Finish. Boom! Our new volume has been created. Simple as that. Now let's close the computer management and see if our new disk has been created. And here, my friends, is the new disk with the name New Volume. You can rename it if you want. I'll just simply name it Data. And that's it. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.